Okay, boys and girls, guess what? It's the last lesson of the year. It's the rock cycle. So let's go over what the rock cycle is. It's really a series of processes that occur on Earth's surface and in the crust and mantle that change rock from one kind to another. So, for example, weathering can break down granite into sediment, and that later turns it into sandstone. So what really the rock cycle means is this. Any rock can be transformed into a different rock. So a metamorphic rock could be transferred into transferred into igneous rock. Igneous rock could be made into a sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock, a metamorphic rock into another metamorphic rock. So it's all a giant cycle. All right, so a couple things is, if you look at these rocks below, are they similar? How would you group the rocks? So these rocks can be grouped on which different type of rock there is. So it's either going to be sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic. So let's just review a couple things. If you remember, sedimentary rock is sediments, and sediments are fragments of rock. They're pressed together over millions of years, and that creates sedimentary rock. All right, so a couple different types of sedimentary rock. You have limestone, conglomerate, shale, sandstone. And if you look at conglomerate, you can see the big rocks or big pebbles that are in there. They're rounded pebbles. Breccia is another type of sedimentary rock. It looks like conglomerate, but they're sharp edges, not round edges, the different pebbles and rocks that are inside there. All right, another one is metamorphic rock. They're created through heat and pressure of the earth, and they will change from metamorphic rock to metamorphic rock. They could change igneous rock into metamorphic rock, or sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock. Here's a couple different types of metamorphic rock. We have gneiss, marble, and slate. And if you look carefully in here, you can see that they have some waves in them. So that means that this one's a little hard to see, the slate. That means that through great pressure, the rock was changed over millions of years. Finally, we have igneous rock. So igneous rock is created through lava or magma. Magma is inside the earth. Lava, it comes out. So intrusive rocks inside. Extrusive igneous rock is outside of a volcano. All right, so this is intrusive igneous rock, where the magma is inside, and extrusive is where it comes out as lava. And when it cools, it becomes igneous rock. So a few different kinds. We have basalt, obsidian, and so forth. Okay, so the rock cycle, we kind of talked about this over millions of years. They can change. And here is a diagram of the rock cycle. So the rock cycle basically looks like this. If we start with, let's say, igneous rock. Igneous rock can be broken up through weathering and erosion, creating sediment, and then it could create sedimentary rock. Igneous rock could also go through heat and pressure, and it could become metamorphic rock. Okay, so now if you have sedimentary rock through heat and pressure can become metamorphic rock, and then through melting, when it melts, it could become igneous rock. It goes in and it becomes lava or magma, and then it can become igneous rock. I forgot to also say igneous rock can become igneous rock. Different types of igneous rock, if it melts within through the earth and through magma and lava, and then it can become a different type of igneous rock. Okay, so metamorphic rock can, and let me get a different color, through melting and through magma and lava, a metamorphic rock can become an igneous rock, or a metamorphic rock can break apart through weathering, and then it can become sedimentary rock. And a metamorphic rock could also, through the process of heat and pressure, can change into other metamorphic rock. So it's a gigantic cycle. All right, and here's just a picture of the plates on the earth moving. And this is through plate tectonics. And this just shows you how some of the plates, let me just get a marker, can go down below another plate. They can push together, and they could form mountains like this and so forth. And that goes across the crust of the earth. So plate tectonics is when the plates move. They carry the continents and ocean floors, and they help form magma, and the plates move apart, and magma can come up, or they could hit each other, and that could help create new mountains. And that's important. That's important for the rock cycle, because that helps maybe if you have metamorphic rock and it gets pushed down, it could get pushed down and it could start melting, and then they could come up as igneous rock. Okay, so that's about it, boys and girls. So today you have this lesson, obviously you're doing, and then tomorrow you have a Nearpod to work on. Okay, have a great day, boys and girls.